Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are fine. So today we are going to talk about Nuclei. Right? Nuclei is a tool for vulnerability scanning. Okay. Uh, Let me just tell you guys something. My screen is at my left. All right. If I keep looking to my left, it's because I'm looking to my screen with my Kali Linux. All right. So Nuclei is used like for scanning. There's a lot of templates that we can use to scan to find vulnerabilities. A lot of bug bounters use Nuclei to find some bugs, vulnerabilities, etc. So let's start. First thing, how to get Nuclei? We can do sudo apt install Nuclei. So I have already installed. All right. Or the second way is to get it on GitHub. Okay, just can go to GitHub and write it down. Nuclei GitHub. And then here we have the project discovery. And then Nuclei, we can just copy it. Alright. And then clone it from GitHub. So another thing is there's a lot of templates that available to use on Nuclei. Like I found this here from a Brazilian guy or a Brazilian group, I think. This is for OSINT. Okay, with this template, we can extract actually um, a lot of information based on Brazilian documents. Like, well, Bitcoin is not from Brazil, so but we can get like CEP. It's like the code post, the postal code or the zip code. CNH, it's the driver license. CNPJ, it's the document from companies, like the company register number. Okay, the CPF, it's like SSN, Social Security number, or in Canada, a SIN, Social Insurance number. Credit card, email, emoji, IP, MAC address. RG is a general register, like a registration number every citizen has, and is mandatory in Brazil. Phone number, telephone, URL from any website, and UUID. Okay, so this one is just an example. You can just type on Google Nuclei templates, and then you can have a list of it. So let's check on Nuclei itself. To use the basic of the basics for Nuclei is Nuclei U hyphen U, and then we just type the website target. Okay, this this site.org. It's the basic command in Nuclei. All right, we can just type enter, and then what's going to happen? It's going to start using the templates every single tool that's available in Nuclei. All right, it's going to load like 6,893 templates, and it's running using like found. We can use HTTPX, Subfinder, Cat with Nuclei. Well, in this way, we are going to have just information that we got in the screen, the terminal right here. We can use also the output, right? So Nuclei output, and then we can save the file where we want. So I'm going to say here Nuclei AN, because I did it in Portuguese and Spanish also. Okay, but there is one thing also we can use like C for concurrence or simultaneously connection requests. The standard is 25, but the default actually is 25. The standard default is the same, but I use 50. We can use also, well, first let's see this. Okay, so press enter. Let me delete this one here. Let me see this one here. Okay, so we are going to start receive information on this nuclei txt file. Okay, just let it start. Okay, let me see, not yet. Here, yeah, we started receiving information here. Okay, so basically we are going to save a log file from Nuclei activity, and then we can analyze it later. Okay, let me see. Yes, reload the file, and then here we have like even Onion website. Okay, let me close. Okay, so I'm going to stop it. Also, we can use a list of targets, Nuclei, L for list, and then here I have to specify the path to the target list. Okay, targets.txt, and then the concurrence also is 50, and then where we are going to save the output. Okay, I'll just enter that. Well, I'm going to press enter, and then it's going to create a file here, and it's going to start to run a nuclei on that targets. Okay, so we have 3 targets loaded from the file list, and now we just have to wait. Reduce it to templates clustered, and then reduce it to 3,423 requests. Okay, just shop, root me, just shop, hackthesite.org. And if we go to the file, we already have information here. Okay, XSS deprecated header. Okay, and WAF detected, so it detected WAF, that's Cloudflare, and HTTP only cookie detected, WAF detected, Nijinx generic, and add event listener detected. Okay, so here we are still getting information, and now we are going to start to get a lot of information here. TXT fingerprint credentials disclosure here, so we can do many things using Nuclei. Let me reload it. All right, so now we are going to receive a lot of information. Okay. Well, it works perfectly. It works nice, but there is a way to use with Subfinder. We can use with cat, as I told you guys, HTTPX. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use with Subfinder. Okay, so Subfinder, you can install Subfinder using apt install Subfinder. Okay, and then I'm going to give hack this site.org, and then pipe. Here I'm going to call Nuclei the template. So yeah, I spoke about the template, but let's see where the templates are located. Well, we are on Kali in home, so let's go to the local Nuclei templates, and then here we have some folders. Each one of these folders has a lot of file templates. Okay, they are based in YAML, also YAML file. We can check here. We have WordPress with credentials. We have PrestaShop. We have Valid Gmail, WordPress plugins. Okay, but there's a lot of folders. CVS, right? We have 2023. We have a lot of them. Okay, CVES. So how can we use it? It's very easy to specify a template or a folder. We just have to use t minus t, and then specify the path home Kali dot local slash Nuclei hyphen templates minus hyphen templates. And then here we can specify a folder, a specific folder, or even a specific script or a specific template. I'm going to use just the templates, and then I'm going to specify concurrence for 50 and the output for home Kali. Let me delete both of them. Okay, and now slash nuclei test.txt and press enter. So we start Finder and Nuclei at the same time, and then let's see the results. Okay, remembering that I used Nuclei templates, it means it's going to use all the templates that are based in here, all of them. Okay, it's going to take a long, very long time to finish. We can specify by folder. Let's say I want to check file. Okay, then I'm going to use like folder at the end here, like this. Let me just here nuclei and then t. Okay, home Kali dot, no, dot local dot nuclei templates slash http, and then we can select a file. All right, and then here file folder, and then we can select any one of them here, or we can just select file folder and use all the folders here inside and check for all the vulnerabilities right here. Or we can just take like pure PHP, okay, PHP scanner. So we're going to say PHP scanner dot, yeah, okay, and then we can specify the target URL, and then we can specify like site or any other website. Okay, but we can specify using T a specific template, or we can specify a folder with a lot of templates. Okay, let's back there to the another one, and then here we started having already some information. Let's back here, nuclei test here, and we already have some things. Meta tags, we have tag detect nijinx. All right, we have let's see what's okay. Certificate fingerprints. Okay, and then here admin hack site.org, Certigo, and well, we have PHP detected. We have a lot of PHP errors. Meta tag CVS, GQv 3.7.4. So we start to have a lot of information. Okay, I'm going to stop because I know it's going to take a very long time to finish it. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. First, let me thank you guys for watching my content. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel. If you like the content, just give me a like, share it for friends, and well, see you guys on the next video.